The most standout problem with many boys is that they're too afraid to approach the girl they like. But making a girl attracted to you can be as easy as having an amazing life and asking her to join. There are many other techniques and persuasion methods to make her want to be your girlfriend. But have you ever tried psychological tricks to get a girl to like you? This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about psychological tricks to get any girl to like you. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell to get updates whenever we post. You need to understand gone are the days when talking to a girl or dating was deemed as a taboo. It's very natural to like a girl and equally important to be confident and let her know that you like her. Being afraid and shy will not help, and you could also get psychologically affected. Don't worry, that's all about to change. You'll discover exactly how to get a girl to like you in psychological ways. First tip is, be an optimist. To start, the first and foremost thing is that you need to feel good about yourself. So if you have a dull and pessimistic attitude, shrug it off. You might have gone through some bad phases, but you're not the only one, and people are still living their life. Look beneath you, there's always a positive side to everyone. Girls don't like boys who remain secluded and are not able to fight out in the worst of times. Get that special girl to know that you can face any challenge in life. This will give her a positive and safe feeling to be around you. Have passion about something. This is a very important point that girls notice. Don't be a total nerd or lead a monotonous life, even if you are. You'll need to get out of your comfort zone and dig into yourself to find out things that make you feel happy. Now, you might have inbuilt skills like sketching, playing football, singing, etc. that you never showcased, or you might not be interested in anything. Anyhow, you'll have to bring about change. Having a passion or hobby and showcasing it'll not only make you feel happy and confident, but it will also give you an edge if you want to leave a mark on that special girl. Maintain great hygiene. Whether you like it or not, keeping yourself groomed and having good hygiene is a big turn on for girls. Don't be someone who feels proud by showcasing an ungroomed beard. Stay healthy and hygienic. Make sure you have proper bath and that you shampoo your hair regularly. Trim your beard as per the need. Go for a good deodorant or cologne which is not too strong but smells great. Good hygiene and a great fragrance will surely make the girl be around you. Be humorous. This is one of the easiest skills that you can have to let a girl be attracted to you. Girls consider this as one of the top things in their list of having a perfect partner. Now you might be wondering that you're not funny and you can only crack pretty bad jokes. It doesn't matter. People laugh mostly when they find a joke witty or the joke itself is very pathetic. Just remember to be super cool and confident in delivering a bad joke and try to have a poker face. It works. Don't be desperate. Often, boys think that if they have gone about the process of getting a girl to like you, they'll have to do it quickly. But this approach often comes out as an act of desperation, which is a big no for girls. Suppose out of nowhere, one day you give a rose to that special girl who doesn't even know you. How would you feel? Creepy. That could be your first and last impression for her, so take a step back and make sure you sequentially go about the job. Start with friendship and then take it forward. Be a friend. You might think that how being just a friend will help that cause. The idea is to be a friend and try not to get friend-zoned. You must build a trustworthy. Make sure you take care of things like making her feel special on her birthday. Take her out on a canteen date, buy her flowers, sing a song, and be with her when she's going through a bad phase. Show empathy but also cheer her up after the talk. You don't want both of you crying together. Be confident but not too touchy. Building a friendship is one thing, but you'll have to take a step forward. A simple touch between the two of you could be a blessing in disguise. Innovate some methods by which you can have an opportunity to touch her, but not in a sexual manner. Being confident and just shaking hands with her every morning by keeping eye contact could work wonders. It'll make the girl feel comfortable and safe to be around you. Add a pinch of banter. This is very important as well as significant. You don't have to always follow etiquette and be disciplined when it comes to having casual talks. That would be too monotonous and boring. Try to add spice to your chat by throwing banters at each other. It may be a short moment of craziness, but trust on this tip. It'll do a lot of good in gluing the relationship and the comfort level. Create an identity. Another one of the best psychological tricks to get a girl is to create an identity. Girls like boys who have their own identity and stand out from others. If you have worked your way to create an identity for yourself, that's a big thumbs up. It'll also show that you are independent and confident. Having your own identity and respect within your social and friend circle is a win-win situation. Be attentive. Girls want attention and no nonsense. Be attentive when she is talking to you. Make her feel that you are living in the present and understands every word that is coming out of her mouth. Make sure you don't get distracted by your surroundings. Most importantly, always keep eye contact with her. Try the idea of having similar interests. Most guys think there's no topic to start conversation with the girl they like. But this is not the end of the world. Try finding out her likes and dislikes. Make sure you add some of her likes and dislikes to your list and then try talking about it. Of course, you'll have to have some knowledge about what you're talking, otherwise she will find out ultimately. Do proper research and go for it. Try wit. Girls like witty boys. This can be considered one of the best psychological tricks to get a girl. Being witty depicts how quickly you can grab things, make them funny but yet innovative. It's always a plus point for girls, and so if you're in a group or even alone chatting with her, try being witty and show her that you not only have a humorous side but also a witty side. Compliment her. This is a very evident way of making a girl like you. Girls like getting compliments, and it's one thing that they often seek. Whether it's her dress, a smile, or her cooking skills, if you compliment her, you might have some brownie points. A compliment makes the girl feel special and helps in building their trust in you. So no matter what others say, you will always like her. Trust and honesty. Honesty and trust are the most important factors in any relationship. Make sure that if your girl trusts you, you also make her feel the same way. Make sure you never hide anything or do anything that she gets to know later or via some other source. This will have a big impact and may also do irreparable damage to your relationship. Keep her close in every sense and make her realize how important she is for you. You can approach a woman as your real, genuine self and show her what an approachable, friendly, natural man you are with these psychological tricks. So, which of these psychological tips you think is the most effective one? Let's know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.